Why sync your digital journal?
Syncing your digital journal lets you access your entries on all your devices, phone, tablet, or computer. This ensures you never lose your notes, whether you're tracking moods, habits, or daily thoughts. Syncing is especially helpful if you switch devices or want to keep your wellness journey up to date everywhere. Keeping everything connected is convenient and provides peace of mind.
How cloud sync works.
The cloud syncing uses secure online storage to keep your journal updated across devices. When you write or edit an entry, the app uploads these changes to your personal cloud account. The latest version is automatically downloaded to your other devices when you open the app, so you always see the most recent updates without needing to manually transfer files.
Setting up sync in your Wellness Journal app.
Start by creating an account within your journaling app, usually with your email or a secure sign-in. Then look for a sync or backup setting in the app's menu. Enable the option to connect your journal to a cloud provider like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Follow any prompts to grant necessary permissions. Your entries will then begin syncing automatically.
Ensuring security and privacy.
Wellness journal apps use encryption to protect your data in the cloud. This means only you can access your diary with your login credentials. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication if your app offers it. Always use strong, unique passwords and keep your app versions up to date to benefit from the latest security improvements.
Restoring backups and accessing past entries.
If you get a new device or need to recover your journal, restoring from a secure cloud backup is simple. Just sign into your app and it will prompt you to download your stored entries. In most apps, you can browse or search your entire journal history, making it easy to revisit past thoughts and progress.